Are serious about increasing your leads, sales and profits? If the answer is yes, pay very close attention to this video and take action at the end. In the brick-and-mortar world, one of the keys to ensuring that your business will succeed is developing methods that will bring customers to your business. The same principle holds true on the internet as well. In order for your internet-based business to thrive, you need to drive leads, customers to your business. The best method to increase traffic to your website or business is having the opportunity to give away free vacations. Giving a potential client something for free helps generate leads, prospects and clients, resulting in more sales. Besides that, as a general rule, increased traffic to your website will result in an increase in customers or clients doing business with your business enterprise. Most importantly, more business means more sales. More sales translates into more revenue for your business. And ultimately an increase in revenue, resulting in more profits in the long term. A great example is the Greater Bank. The Greater Bank did over $1 billion in loans by offering a free vacation incentive to its clients to close the deal. It's no doubt the easiest and fastest way to grow your client list. A lot of businesses are thriving by giving away a free incentive as a thank you for their business. For example, a restaurant could hold a raffle for a free 3-night trip to Las Vegas on a certain night. Or a real estate agent can giving away a free trip to Cancun, Mexico to someone that refers a client their way. This is something that any company or small business owner could use to grow their earnings in a big way. This works for any business, if you're in e-commerce, information products, professional services, retail, network marketing, business to business. It works for any business. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. Now you too can plug into the exact system we used to give away over 150,000 trips. Start your 7-day free trial today. Click the link in the description below.